name is Hugh Agro. I'm the president and CEO of Revival Gold. It's great to be with the Crux investors and to be talking about value in the gold space. Our cautionary language here. And on the subject of value, I can think of no better person to turn to than Warren Buffett. Buffett uses the analogy of a moat to describe a business that is difficult to replicate and that has strong competitive advantage. Such businesses are attractive to investors. Their profitability and longevity are assured, and their value is great. I would suggest to you that a successful gold mining business is one that is fortified by a moat. Gold mines are hard to find, challenging to make, and they tend to endure. Such businesses are hard to replicate and very valuable. And with margins today running at 60 to 80%, these gold mines are very profitable. And when I say gold mines are hard to find, I mean really hard to find. The blue bars on this graph describe the pace of global gold production, currently running at about 120 million ounces a year. The gold bars on this graph describe the pace of global gold discovery, running at about 20 million ounces a year. And you can see that there's a large and growing gap between that pace of production and the pace of new discoveries to feed future production. In fact, over the last couple of years, there have been no new major discoveries of gold. And all this against a backdrop of a rising gold price shown in purple on this figure. This brings me to Revival Gold, a unique opportunity in gold. Revival Gold was established in 2017 by industry veterans to address that large and growing gap between the pace of global gold production and the pace of discovery. What makes us unique is our focus on brownfield sites where gold has been successfully produced in the past. We have 2 multi-million ounce gold projects in the western United States, totaling 6 million ounces of resource. Mercer in Utah at a PEA stage, moving quickly towards a production decision in the next 2 years. Bear Track Arnett in Idaho at a PFS stage, with 2 drill rigs drilling on a high-grade underground target, continuing to expand that 4.6 million ounce deposit. With initial production of 160,000 ounces from open pit heap leach phases of operation, these are meaningful production opportunities, all in the domestic United States, and multiple catalysts ahead. Market cap today is about 155 million. And even though our share price is up over the last few months, we have a long way to go here with lots of value to surface in our company. $13 million of cash and no long-term debt. And what's under the hood? $1.2 billion of net asset value, which reflects less than half the company's current resources. And that 1.2 billion of NAV increases to 2 billion of NAV at $4,000 gold. So lots of leverage for investors as the gold price continues to grow and show strength for the future. What makes us different? We are lower risk by design. We're redeveloping past producing gold mines in the United States, which gives us advantages in terms of infrastructure. $200 million worth of infrastructure and data at our fingertips. It gives us a proven path to success. And we can look at the examples of Goldstrike or Hale or Malartic or Detour or Skeena, all very valuable gold mines and projects that were cast off from majors, redeveloped by juniors. We have large gold systems with a finding cost to date of less than $10 an ounce of gold in the ground. We have an advantageous cost structure. Given that existing infrastructure, we have low capital per ounce of gold production, and we have low AISC costs, all-in sustaining costs of production, relative to our peers. And what's really exciting about Revival Gold is that we are 100% gold. With 22 ounces of gold in situ for every 1,000 shares that an investor holds in the company, we offer superior gold exposure. And we have strong financial backing to get to our objectives to deliver free cash flow to investors, with 54% corporate and institutional ownership. For investors that have watched the gold price take off over the last couple of years, and senior gold equity share prices increase along with it, I've got good news. There's still exceptional value in the developer space. Developer gold companies are trading today at about 0.5 times underlying net asset value. And that's compared to those producer peers that are trading at about 2 to 3 times that. And amongst that peer set, Revival Gold is offering even better value at about 0.1 times underlying net asset value. So as we think about the de-risking steps ahead and the path to production, Revival Gold offers exceptional value here and a clear path to delivering that value to our owners. Revival Gold is a unique opportunity in gold. We have growth with initial production of 160,000 ounces a year from 6 million ounces of resource and exceptional potential beyond that to continue to grow our production profile. We have scale with 2 large gold systems and exceptional discovery track record to date. We have strong backing with EMR Capital and Dundee Corporation and others standing behind the company with a strong cash balance and ability to move towards a production decision at our Merkur project in Utah. And coming back to the theme of this presentation, we offer compelling value. Trading today at 0.1 times price to net asset value, we rate very favorably compared to any of our developer peers and, of course, the producers, which we are aiming to join in the next couple to 3 years. With Merkur advancing towards production, Beartrack Arnett continuing through exploration, Revival Gold is truly a unique opportunity in gold. Thank you very much for your attention and interest. If you want to find out more information on Revival Gold, please go to www.revival-gold.com or reach out to us at info@revival-gold.com.